Starting an online store in 2024 is easier than you think. With the advancements in technology and the increasing number of tools available, setting up your own e-commerce business has never been more accessible. More people are shopping online than ever before. The convenience of online shopping has become a staple in everyday life, and this trend is only expected to grow. You can reach customers all over the world. The global market is at your fingertips, allowing you to expand your business beyond local boundaries and tap into international markets. This is a great opportunity to be your own boss. Imagine the freedom of setting your own hours and working from anywhere. Let's get started on this exciting journey. This guide will give you a step-by-step plan. From the initial idea to the final launch, we will walk you through every stage of the process. You'll learn how to choose what to sell. Identifying the right products is crucial for your store's success, and we'll show you how to research and select items that will attract customers. You'll discover how to build your online store. From selecting a platform to designing a user-friendly interface, we'll cover all the technical aspects to ensure your store is both attractive and functional. We'll cover marketing, shipping, and more. Effective marketing strategies will help you reach your target audience, while efficient shipping methods will ensure customer satisfaction. Are you ready to become an e-commerce entrepreneur? The potential for growth and success is immense. Let's dive in and make 2024 the year your online store takes off. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with any questions you have. The first step is deciding what to sell. This is called finding your niche. Think about your passions and skills. What do you enjoy talking about? Research popular trends. Use tools like Google Trends. Look for products with high demand. Consider what problems you can solve for people. Choose a niche that excites you. This will keep you motivated. It will help you create a successful business. A business plan is like a roadmap for your store. It helps you stay organized. It guides your decisions. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a simple outline. Define your target audience. Describe your products or services. Outline your marketing plan. Include financial projections. A well-structured business plan attracts investors. It shows them you are serious. It increases your chances of getting funding. Your online store needs a home. This is the foundation of your business, where everything begins. It's crucial to choose wisely. This is where you'll list your products. Each product needs to be showcased effectively to attract customers. High-quality images and detailed descriptions are key. This is where customers will make purchases. A seamless checkout process can significantly impact your sales. Ensure it's user-friendly and secure. You'll need to choose an e-commerce platform. There are many options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. Research thoroughly to find the best fit. Shopify is a popular option. It's known for its ease of use and comprehensive support. Many successful online stores use Shopify. It's easy to use, even for beginners. With its intuitive interface, you can set up your store quickly without needing extensive technical knowledge. Wix is another great choice. It offers beautiful templates. These templates can be customized to match your brand's aesthetic, giving your store a professional look. WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress. It's highly flexible and can be tailored to meet specific needs. If you already use WordPress, this could be a seamless addition. It gives you more control over your store. You can manage every aspect from product listings to customer interactions with a high degree of customization. Consider your budget and technical skills. Some platforms may require more investment or technical know-how. Balance these factors to make an informed decision. Choose a platform that fits your needs. The right choice will support your business growth and help you achieve your goals. Take your time and choose wisely. Designing your store, making a great first impression. Your store's design is important. It's the visual representation of your brand and the first interaction customers have with your business. It's the first thing customers see, and first impressions matter. A visually appealing store can captivate your audience and draw them in. A well-designed store builds trust. It encourages sales by making customers feel comfortable and confident in their purchasing decisions. Keep your design clean and simple. Use high-quality product photos that showcase your products in the best light. Clear, professional images can significantly impact a customer's decision to buy. Make sure your store is easy to navigate. A cluttered or confusing layout can frustrate customers and drive them away. Use a mobile-friendly design to ensure a seamless shopping experience on any device. A professional-looking website is crucial. It reflects the quality and reliability of your business. Investing in a polished design can set you apart from competitors. It shows customers you are credible. Displaying customer testimonials and reviews can further enhance your store's credibility and build trust with new visitors. It gives them confidence to buy from you. When customers feel assured of your professionalism and trustworthiness, they are more likely to complete their purchases and return for future shopping. Adding products and setting prices. Now it's time to add your products. Write compelling descriptions. Highlight the benefits of each product. Use high-quality images. Pricing your products is important. Research your competitors. Consider your costs. Find a price that is competitive and profitable. Offer different product variations. This could include size, color, or features. Give your customers more choices. Setting up payment and shipping options. Customers need to be able to pay you easily. Set up secure payment gateways. Popular options include PayPal and Stripe. Decide on your shipping strategy. Offer different shipping options. Consider using a fulfillment service. This can save you time and money. Clear shipping policies are essential. Display them prominently on your website. This helps you avoid misunderstandings with customers. Marketing your online store. Getting the word out. Once your store is live, it's time to start marketing. Social media is a powerful tool. Create engaging content. Run targeted ads. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list. Send out regular newsletters. Offer exclusive discounts. Search engine optimization or SEO helps people find your store online. Use relevant keywords. Optimize your website content. Launching and growing your online business. Congratulations on launching your online store. Now the real work begins. Monitor your sales and traffic. Analyze your data. Continuously improve your store. Get feedback from your customers. Stay up to date on the latest e-commerce trends. Starting an online store takes effort, but with hard work and dedication, you can achieve success. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips on growing your online business.